it's raining. We're having lightning strikes everywhere. Rain is pouring down. Lightning everywhere. Here's a picture of my rain gauge. Lots of rain. Hey, do y'all suppose we're gonna have fire today? It's lightning. Lightning strikes everywhere. You think there'll be fires? Yeah, fires. There'll probably be fires everywhere, huh? I doubt it. Why in the hell in Oregon does it start fires? The prairie starts on fire when there's tons of water and lightning striking in Oregon. Wrangle Star has to run out and stop these fires. I don't think so. I don't know what's going on in Oregon. Probably when it's dry in Oregon and somebody goes out and strikes a match and throws it on the dry grass, that starts a fire. That lightning strikes in the rain, I don't think so. Give me a break.